So let's understand that the sum of 3 and 4 1 by 5 is, they are asking. Sum means we know that it is the addition. Because of that, we take 3 plus 4 1 upon 5. And now, whenever you get whole number, you should understand that 3 means 3 upon 1. And then 3 upon 1, I will write as it is, plus 4 into 5, 20, 20 plus 1, 21 upon 5. And now we have to find what LCM. LCM of denominators is 1 and 5. LCM is 5. So make all the denominator as 5. 1, 5 is a 5. Because of that, here also 5. 5 ones are 5. Because of that, 1. Here also 1. Once you multiply numerator and denominator, 3 5s are 15 and it is 5 plus 21 upon 5. If you add these two, it is how much? 36 upon 5. This way we will solve it. Okay. Now everyone solve the second question. Who has got wrong answers, please copy this, and others you solve the second question. I will give you 2 minutes to solve that. Not two. Okay, 3 minutes you can take. Solve it properly with sentences and all. Cost of 2 pens is 5.30 each. And 4 notebooks at rupees 20.50 each. What is the total cost of 2 pens and 4 notebooks you have to find? You should get out of 3 any one answer. Do it correctly. Total cost of 2 pens and 4 notebooks we have to find in this. 2 pens and 4 notebooks. Another 30 seconds left. Please solve it. I will also write the statements until
Sir, I have solved.
the first.
Sir, I have sent also.
Yeah, yeah, you got correct. Let's see that what they are given. First, what they are given, we have to write. This is the given thing everyone has to understand. That is, cost of 1 pen is given. That we write like this. Cost of 1 pen is equals to rupees 5.30. And then they are given cost of 1 notebook is given. Each means 1 it is, okay? Because of that, I'm writing it as a 1 notebook is equals to 20 rupees 50 paise. Now we have to find cost of 2 pens is equals to how much means it's easy, right? 2 into rupees 5.30. And if we multiply 2 into 0 will be 0. Okay, that we write first. And next we have to multiply 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Next, we have to multiply this 2 into 5, that is 10. Number of decimal points is 2. Because of that, we have to write this as 2 decimal point number. Amount we get it as 10
Sir, I have sent.
and 60 paise. Yeah. Next, we have to find cost of 4 notebooks. 1 notebook is given. 4 notebooks we have to find. Because of that, 4 notebook cost is 4 into rupees 20 and 50 paise. This
Sir, I
also
have.
we multiply row wise. Yeah. Now first 4 zeros are 0. Next 4 into 5, 20. 0, 2 carry will comes to the next. 4 zeros are 0 and 2 carry will be 2. And 4 twos are 8. Sum of decimal points we have to count 2 decimal point 2 and then it is rupees. What they are asking? Total they are asking. So if total means addition, so total cost means addition is equals to rupees 10 and 60, 82.00. Once you add, you get 92 rupees 60 paise. Choose the correct option. So answer is 92.60. Okay. So Tanvi has sent it and she has got with correct step.
Sir, I have
After
also sent.
that, Sarthak has solved with correct steps. Even Miran has solved with the steps. Okay. Now
Sir,
everyone.
I have written direct answer in question paper.
Yeah, but the same question paper, if it is comes same question come for the descriptive, it will gives you 2 marks or 3 marks question it is. It is MCQ because of that it is 1 mark. Otherwise it will come as a 2 to 3 marks if it is descriptive. Let's everyone solve the next question. Question number 3. Remember it. It is definitely going to come for the exam. Okay, Kizer also sent it. Good. Let's take the next question. Question number 3. Difference between 43 degrees Celsius and negative 17 degrees Celsius is. Do it in just 1 minute because it is a only 1 minute question. Difference means easily we know what it is. Quickly send it whenever you're done with the sum. Please, everyone, be interactive. Whatever the sum you have solved, send it quickly. Yeah, I got it from Atar. Yeah, Atar, correct it is. Hmm, correct. You write your sentence. The difference is equals to. Then you write equal sign. This is correct. Okay, I got from the Sarthak. Another 30 seconds is there. Others you write. Sarthak is correct. Others you please send quickly. One minute sums these all. Ishan has solved. Okay, Ishan's answer is Ishan. This one you have to work on this. Let's see how it is. Sign multiplication is necessary, Ishan. Difference means what it is. Sign multiplication will come, no? Please solve with proper steps. Try to write the sentences, everyone. Sentences are important. Yeah, Kizar correct. Okay, time up. Whoever has not solved, just check it how you can solve this because it's a very simple. Write one sentence whenever descriptive questions are there. No, write some sentence. What sentence you have to write? The difference between 43 degrees Celsius and negative 17 degrees Celsius is equals to, you write. Difference means you should understand that it is a 43 degrees Celsius. Okay, Celsius will write last. We'll write only the numbers now because we have to do the calculation, right? So because of that, difference means we know that minus of negative 17. And now look at this. Whenever minus of minus is there, we get the
Sir, I
option
sent.
as, yeah, I got it then. Now look at this 43. Minus of minus will be positive 17. Together it will become 60 degrees Celsius. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Therefore, answer is option C. Check it. Whenever you are doing difference means it's a minus, but it is a negative number. Let's solve the next question number 4. It's a direct question. Is everyone has to remember it is a properties of division of rational numbers, or you can say, or integers, you can say, and send your answers. It's a very easy and direct. If you only thing you have to memorize the properties. This is the question number 4.
Sir, sent.
Okay. This is direct, right? Okay. Yeah. Sarthak, you have to remember it most. Yeah. Correct. Many of you have got correct answer. Please send it others. Miran also got correct. Okay, correct. Now, as you know that I have told you, no, there are some properties. All the properties you have to remember. Kizar's answer is also correct. Now look at this. There are four properties on that. All the four properties you have to remember. First one, we'll say that A divided by 1 is A. This is division by 1 we used to see. And the same number by same number is 1. And then we have 0 divided by the number is 0. And last, A divided by 0 is undefined, we will call, or it is meaningless, they will call. Okay, these four properties are there. This all the four properties you have to remember. Out of this four property, one question definitely going to come every year till the grade 10. Okay, division whenever it is there, maximum they will ask you the question of this one, and sometimes this will also come, but options will remains the same. Look at that. Options everywhere they will give the same options, and that also with wrong answers. Look at that, how wrong answer they are given here. So A divided by 0 is undefined, but they are given the 0. A divided by A is 1. This property they are given, but A divided by A is equals to A they are given. Same way, which is the correct they are asking. So obviously we should be perfect with this all the four properties. If you are perfect, easily you will write that option C is the correct. That is A divided by 0 is not defined. Okay. So this much, whoever has got not defined, it's correct. Along with that, remember this four property, not only this four, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all that things you should know. Okay, let's solve the next question. Answer for this one is C. Fifth question. The value of this and this. It's also very easy. I will give you 2 minutes to solve. 4 1 upon 7 it is. 1 upon 7 is missing. You make it as 4 1 upon 7. 4 1 upon 7 of 21 is. Question number 5. Solve with descriptive. Just don't solve it as a MCQ. Please everyone solve it and try to get the correct answers. I will give you 2 minutes. Others you quickly finish it in next 2 minutes and send your answers. Okay. So, Ishan, check it. Ishan. Okay, Ishan answer is correct. And then we got Pratham.
Sir, I can't.
Answer is also correct. Yeah?
Sir, I can't say.
Okay. 87 Kizar. Correct it is.
Sir, I also got it.
Sarthak, right?
Sir, I sent by my
Right.
mom.
Sent. Okay.
Sir, I have also got 87.
Yeah. This. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Whoever has solved, it's good. I still not got the answer from Mirana sent. No. Mira, send the answers. No, it's very easy. Suzanne, look at that, how easy question it is. Of only the word you have to remember. The word of means multiplication. That you can do. Write it with the proper way and easily you will get the answer. See there how easiest it is.
I
So
sent
first
it
we
by my mom's
4.
phone.
Yeah, I got it, Arish. Just look at this. 4 1 upon 7. Of means we should understand that it is a multiplication and into 21. Once you get this, try to understand this. This is a mixed fraction, make it as improper. How we will make the improper means, first we write the denominator as it is 7 into 4 is 28. 28 plus 1, 29. We write after that in the numerator, and this is what we converted mix into the improper. That will be 29 by 7, and here it is 21. Look at that, 7 and 21 are multiples of 7. Easily we can cancel. 7 ones are 7 threes are. Now 3 into 29 you multiply, that's the answer. 3 into 9 it is 27. 7 here, 2 carry, 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. So we got 87 as the value. So therefore you write one sentence, the value of. इतना तो the value तो लिखो at least. The value is equals to 4 into 1 upon 7 into 21. That's the answer. Where it is option B is the correct. So we are okay. Next, all the sixth one.
Sir, solved.
Yeah. The product of two integers is negative 90, and then one of them is 45. The other. This type of a questions, as I have told, definitely going to come,
Sir,
and
sent.
will such type of a questions only going to appear in your all the exams in higher classes. Product of, sum of, difference of. Make it habit to solve this kind of a questions quickly and easily. Solve it in 2 minutes. I am giving 2 minutes to practice and to try it yourself. Huh? Please do it before I is to finish.
Done, sir.
Sir, sent.
Hmm?
Sir, sent.
Product of two integers. Okay, Ishan's answer is negative 2.
Sir, I can't send.
Sir,
Sir,
sent.
Miran, check that
Sir,
operation.
I also sent the answer.
Also check operation, sir. What operation transposition it will become? Miran and Harshvardhan, both of you check. Multiplication is there. Multiplication, if it is comes on right side, you mark the arrow mark, no?
yes, sir.
What operation it is?
Division.
Multiplication will come on this side, division it, but why you made it as positive? Here you written positive, no? And this is minus you written, na? Okay. Another 30 seconds, Sarthak.
Sir, it's negative 19.
Negative 90, that's correct. Sarthak, you also do the correct transposition. You got the negative 2, but operation is wrong.
Sir, I have done correct.
Steps are also important. Hmm. Now, okay. Check here, everyone. Try to understand this, how we can get it. Product of two integers is given, right? So that we write first what is given. In same question will come for 2 marks. The product of two integers is negative. That we sentence we have to write. The product of two integers is negative 90. Is means equals to we can write. That's also we can do it. Okay, I will remove this is. We will make it as equal. How much? Negative of 90. And one of the number means we'll take it as first number is equals to what we take 45. Positive. And second number you take it as x. I told one of the question definitely going to come with algebra. Now this is the equation you write. since if we write the equation, what we write, product of two numbers means 45 multiplied by x is equals to what we write, negative of 90. And now transposition, you should understand that here it is a plus x, here is it is also what, plus 45. So we were not transposing this plus, right? We are just making this transposition of multiplication of positive x. So once we transpose this, or else once we transpose the value of positive 45, whatever, any term you can transpose. If I transpose this positive x to this, it will become 1 by positive x. It will become what? 1 by positive x. Or if I transpose this plus 45 to the right, so this will also become what? 1 by plus 45. So that's only you do it, or else multiplication will become division. How easily we can do it? Because this is the multiplication sign. Multiplication will become division. So x we keep as it is, negative 90 we keep as it is. This will be multiplied. No, multiplication will become what? Division of positive 45. Now if you divide easily, you will get the answer as what? Negative of 45 twos are. Write it properly. Division sign should be visible clearly. Okay. Many of you have got same answer, since answer will be option B. Okay. Let's solve the next question. That is question 7. That they I given it as rational number. Actually, it's not rational number. You make it as a fraction and you make it as a positive. I will write that question. Let's see here. Question number 7 is the equivalent fraction.
Sir, sent.
Equivalent fraction
Sir, sent.
2 upon 3 is option A, negative. They are given it as 6 by 9. B, negative 6 by 4. C, 6 upon negative 9. Okay. Okay. Ishan is correct. And then I got it.
Sir, done.
Okay, is correct. Okay. Let's look at this, how we can solve for the equivalent fractions. We get it by multiplication or by division. So how we can check it? That's important, right? Here we know that how to get the equivalent fractions of this given fraction by multiplying with 2 upon 2, or else if it is 2 upon 3, we'll get 3 3, and then we take 2 upon 3, and we used to take 4 4. We used to get first, second, third, fourth, so on, by the product, by writing like this 6 upon 9, or else we get this one as 8 upon how much? 12. But when they are given option, we have to check how we can do it. This is for descriptive. But when they give the MCQ, we will take the given fraction or rational number, you can say it, and you take the equivalent 3 upon 9. Is that possible to make it as what? By which number we have to multiply? 3 to make it as 9, we used to multiply with 3 upon 3. So because 3 3 is a 9, 2 into 3 6. So we got the same, that's the correct. And if we want to check the next, take 2 upon 3 and you write the answer 6 upon 4. Now look at this, 3 and 4. Is that multiple? It's not a multiple, so it's not possible. Now look at the next option, C. That is, they are given 2 upon 3 fraction, they are given, and then they are given the answer as negative of 9. If we want to make this negative of 9, we used to multiply with what? Negative of 3. So negative of 3 will come in the numerator also. Now look at this. 2 positive 2 into negative 3 will be negative of 6. But they are given it as what? Positive 6. Because of that, this option is also wrong. You should know both the way solving. How to solve descriptive, how to solve the MCQ. Is that understood, everyone? The method how to solve for MCQ. Sarthak, Tanvi, Kizar, Ishan. Everyone understood this method, how to check it. Whenever they give the MCQ, don't do it this way, descriptive. Check it, find it like this, and look at that 3 and 4. It's not possible only because 4 is not a multiple of 3. 3 and 9, negative 9 are multiple, but we have to multiply with negative 3. Negative 3, if I take product of this, will be negative of 6. But negative of 6 is not given. Positive of 6, they are given. Because of that, option C is also wrong. Option B is wrong. Our correct option will be A. This way, you have to check. Let's do the next sum, question number 8. It's the same question
Second.
like, yeah, and the product is negative. How it is negative, you have to solve, no?
Sir, sent.
So what?
How it is negative, you have to solve. Okay. Keep
Sir, I
that.
solved.
No, sir, we can use logic, sir.
Yes, sir. What logic you will use?
Sir, sir, if nine of them are positive integers, the result will be positive, and nine of them are negative, and they are odd numbers, so the result will be negative, and then positive and negative, the answer will be negative.
Sir, I have sent. Sir,
Okay, Miran also solved it. Atharu also solved it. Yeah.
Sir said.
Yeah. So now, if you write it, perfect steps. Let's send the steps. Let me understand this. Was that Atharva steps are perfect? Like, let's look at this. How we can solve this question. This type of a questions, it's really necessary to understand it properly, right? So they are given number of integers you have to write. Number of integers you have to write. Number of integers, they are given it as 18. And then you have to write number of the sign of their product. They are asking 9 of them are what? Positive integers, right? Number of positive integers we have to write, which is equals to 9. And its product, any positive integers, if you multiply with even number times or odd number times, sign will remains what? Positive. That we have got the answer. And its product. Okay. And then number of negative integers. Negative integers and its product you have to write. Number of negative integers is also 9. When we take negative 9 times, if we multiply, we know that answer will be what? Negative. Answer will be what? Negative. So because of that, whenever we take the integers odd number of times, the product will be what? Negative. Because of this, 9 times, right? So because of the 9 is an odd number, 9 times. And now we have to find the product of this 9 times and the product of 9 times of negative. Product is what? Of 9 positive integers will be what? Positive. And product of 9 negative integers will be what? Negative. And finally, we get answer as, we get it as the answer equal as positive into negative will be negative. This way we have to solve it descriptive. Is that clear to everyone? This way Atharv has solved. I think rest many of you have not written. Right, the steps are important and product is important. Look, this way you have to imagine total number of integers are 18. Out of that positive integers are 9. Its product of positive 9 integers will be always a positive, and product of negative 9 integers is negative. And lastly we have to find the product of these two, because product of positive integers and product of 9 negative integers will be positive into negative will be negative. Okay, is that understood this everyone? Yeah, I hope you have understood. Who has not done this, please do that. We will solve the next question. uh, Ninth one, according to the number line above, b is 9 step 5 from that and all it is there. Let's solve that one with question paper.
Sir,
It's
sent.
easy to do it. Yeah.
Sir, sent.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's do this one in here only. It's easy to understand. Look at that, how we can solve for that. According to the number line given below, value of B we have to find. If A is 5 steps on the right of the zero, 5 step right of the zero means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps right of a zero means it is a 5. And next, what they are telling is, uh, and B is 8 step to the left of A. Here we got what? A we got. 8 step
Negative.
left of A, we have to identify where it will come. 8 steps we have to go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 means here we get what? B value. So because of that, this value of the B, we get it as what? Negative of 3. Here is the answer. You can do it in the text question paper only. Whenever MCQ is there, no need to draw it because it is a carries 1 mark and you can do it easily on the number line only. So that's very easy, right? So anyone can move. Whenever we know that right, left, all the things, right means it is a plus, left means we should understand that it is the negative. This is the simple. Let's go for the next question.
Sir, sent.
Which one explains the better for this? So this many of you have not got it. It's really what it is based on the properties of distributive property of multiplication or addition. Please, again, I am requesting everyone, learn all the properties. And this is going to repeat till the grade 10th. One is closure property. After that, we have commutative property. Closure property means A plus B is equals to C. Or you just write A plus B, which is a number. Commutative property means A plus B is equals to B plus A. And after that we have associative, A into bracket of B plus C is equals to bracket of A plus B plus C. In that, and last identity, A plus 0 is equals to A. This is important. Not only addition, and then it will goes with subtraction, it will goes with multiplication, this will goes with division. Here also same, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and same options will get changed. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. But this associative, whatever so far we have, the formula or what we can say that mathematical form examples will remain same. Even this you have to remember, A into 1 is A, 0 is called as additive identity, 1 is called as multiplicative identity, and subtraction by 0, division by 0, all you have to make it perfect. Look at that questions, how many questions are came from this one only. So if you analyze this question paper, just look at that. This is based on the property. And if you go for the previous one, if you check na, here also, look at that how it is. Next one is also on the property. Look at that how many are came on the properties. Fourth question number 4 is also on the property. And this is very easy. That's why I'm telling you that. And even if you look at that, eighth also will call it as property if you understand it. So that's why I'm telling you that remember this all the property, then it will help you. Distributive is common and it is comes for 3 marks. Nobody has solved it. And here 1 mark direct application. If your application is there, what? Product of these two and product of these two and plus sign. Where it is product of these two? 1 upon 5 into 3 upon 7 plus is there, plus we write. Next one will be what? 1 upon 5 into 5 upon 4. Which option it is? We have to search. If you search, option C is the correct. Simple it is. And look at that question paper. Same, they are given it for distribute property on the right, and everyone is multiplied here. Look at that. This is for what we can say 2 marks. Distributive property you have to apply. You guys are just multiplying this number with this number with this, and you are doing. So here distributive property it is. If you take the common 7250 and in the bracket we get negative 31 plus negative of 69 it will become, and then we used to multiply this 7250. I will solve this in the next today's class, tomorrow's class. But what I expecting from you all is that learn these properties. This is most important. Every year it will come 4 times. How it is 4 times means PA1 they will ask, midterm they will ask, PA2 they will ask, and lastly they will ask you for the yearly exam. Look at that. Every year it's same. Now you are learning on integers, and next time they will ask you on the rational numbers. And in the eighth again rational numbers and irrational numbers they will ask. Ninth they will ask irrational number and real numbers. In the 10th they will ask you whole together from natural numbers to the real numbers, but properties will remain the same. Because of that I am telling you, one time if you do, it will give you the fruit for every year two times. Okay, so this is all about this, all the MCQ so far. That's for today's class. Okay. Apart from that, I want to tell you that